Going down the stairs. I don't think I can go through here, right? Yeah, no. This away. Even though I think... Damn. Oh my god. Oh. Move out the way, bruh. Jesus Christ. Figures my ammo again. Thank God. Oh God. Son of a... Yeah, I'm gonna just close that. I'm not dealing with that bullcrap right now. I forgot about this. Yippee! Handgun ammo, let's go. Give me on the butt slide. Wait, what key is this? Oh, scorpion key. Don't want to use that because it's a little bit pointless. Going down the stairs. Very, very creepy stairs. Holy crap. That is the goddamn snake door key that I can't even open. Need to find them all. Bitch, sit the hell down, boy. Goofy ass. What the hell? Oh. Oh, hell no. No, 24 showcases on the floor. I'm up and let it blow. Yes, this is indeed the morgue. So I think I need... Bruh! Alright, I think I need this one open. Wait, this one? Yep. This one open. And there we go. Ow! Son of a... And just like that, I'm... Wait, no. No, please, 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 please. Bro, no. Oh my god. Hurry, please hurry.
What the fuck?
No, please. Ethan, what are you doing, bro? Retard. No! Oh my god! Damn. Oh, fucking A. Bro! That is so unfair! Like, what the hell? I wish this gun could hold more ammo. Like, when you shoot. Rather than just be like... Oh, god damn it. Now I gotta do this all over again. That's just lovely. I love doing the same shit all over again. Let me get fast. Yep. I'm gonna run past all of them this time. Bro, move, bruh! Bitch. Swear to God. Ethan. Go, Ethan. Oh my god! God damn! Thank God. There you go. Oh. Yay, camp food. There we go. That, I don't think I can do that just yet. There we go. Oh my god! You were not this aggressive last time I played! I swear you're gonna piss me off. Bro! They were not aggressive last time! Oh, it's not like this! Like, now I can't even move! Dick right in his... whatever you are. Still don't... My second playthrough, I still don't know what the hell you're called. It's starting to piss me off. Like, y'all are not this aggressive last time. And I'm playing on the same difficulty I did last time, bro. Oh my god. Just get off the hell out of my damn way, please. Why the hell are you right there? Try this again. Open this. Open this. Oh. God damn. Thank God. I do need to get to this though. Alright, so there we go. Jesus Christ. I'm not even gonna waste any of this ammo on you. Woo! Just run past all of them at this point. Okay. Come on. Open the door, you freaking idiot. Can you... Mo, can I close the door? What the hell?
I was gonna be your father. Now she says he will be her father. No. I will find him, and I will make him suffer. And you, my friend, will help me.
Oh. What the hell? There we go, indeed. Keep me on the block with the black baby ways.
Poor deputy.
Alright, let's do this. Why, hello there, sir.
You ain't getting away.
What the hell? Oh my god! Bro! Bro, what are you eating? What are you doing? Nope. Oh my god, you son of a... Bro, god bro.
You got yourself a boo-boo.
Great. I have no ammo. So I'm stuck with an wait. I still got a little bit of like, what the hell? Still got 5 bullets. What the hell? Come over here, bruh. Sucker. What the bro? No! God damn it. Oh my god. Bro, why are you so close to me? What? Bro, can you like... Why are you always just... Did I break the game? What? Wait. Chainsaw, chainsaw, get the chainsaw, get the chainsaw. There we go. Oh my god. Alright, little bro. Come on. No, what the? Bro! Oh my god. This is so... Bro! You were not like this before. Bro. You were not... Can you... I can't even move! Bro, I'm stuck. I'm literally stuck. Like, I can't move. Son of a... Okay, I'm... Bro. I'm just stuck. Like, I'm actually stuck. Wait. There we go. There we go.
You go get it now.
Cat! Oh god damn, bruh. I swear you're gonna piss me off, boy. What the hell did I... Bro. This boss is just... Bro. Last time I did this first try. What the hell's wrong with my game lately? Like, this is just... Like, what the bro. Like, ain't no way that just happened. Like, dead ass. Ain't no fucking way that shit just happened, bruh. Let's try this again. Only I had the damn shotgun, but I forgot how to get to that one. What the hell? Bro! Whoa! Hey, you, come on.
Don't piss me off.
No ammo. Great. Please leave me alone. Oh, screw you. Screw you. I have no ammo. Hey, this is gay. Yeah, I can't do this with keyboard and mouse. Or at least not this boss. Bro, oh my god, way, bro. Bro, get out my. Oh my god, can you please just open the damn thing already? There we go. Dang. There we go. That is what I'm talking about. Give me that chainsaw. Alright, little bro. Come on.
That's the ticket.
Damn it. What? Coward! Damn. Hey you, can you come over here, please? Go! Oh my god! What? Oh, you son of a bro! Nah, but what I do think is I think you need to leave me the hell alone. There we go.
That's it.
There we go. Finally, holy crap. Thank God. There we go. There we go, okay. Ah, my little feet. Alright, what the hell am I going? I have the skeleton or the scorpion key, thank God. Well, hello there, Grandma. There we go. Hello, Evelyn. How you doing? There we go. I'm gonna do that in a minute because I think it's in this room that has the other shotgun that I could use to possibly replace with the other shotgun. So let's go ahead, go through this way. If I remember correctly, I think it's should be in somewhere in one of these rooms. Right? I think so. Unless I'm mistaken. Or something. A different room. Oh, what the hell? Huh. There we go. There we go. There we go. Alright. Trying to remember where the shotgun room was. So that's where I can get. Because I need to get the shotgun, but in order to get the shotgun, I have to replace it with the broken shotgun. So that's way I could actually, you know. Is it this room? I think it is. Alright, yep, there it is. Alright, there we go. Go down through this way. There we go. Alright. Now. Alright, so you know, I guess I can go ahead and do this right. Real quick. I guess I was going to do this real quick. There we go. How long have I been recording? Is this 30 minutes? Ah! Alright. Now take it. Bruh! There we go. There we go. Now we got the shotgun. There we go. Go and save the game.
You made it. You're the first I've ever seen make it this far.
So what is it you need me to do? Is it gonna help me get out of here?
Yes. Now listen carefully, Ethan. My family and I, our bodies are contaminated. I can't leave the property unless I get it out. And the same goes for Mia.
Is there a way to get it out?
We need the serum. It should clear whatever this stuff is out of the body. As long as you're not too far gone.
All right. So where is it?
If I knew where one was, I'd already be long gone. But I have a feeling my mother has hidden some inside the old house somewhere.
So if we get this thing, I can help Mia and we can get out of here?
Right. And so can I.
Not correct.
The old house is near the water. You can't miss it.
All right.
I just hope you can handle my mother.
Your mother?
Be careful. They'll be looking for you.
Save one more time. Alright.